Motor Vessel Priya, Motor Vessel Priya. This is Motor Vessel Dola. Please provide your current position and intention. Over.
Motor Vessel Dola, this is Motor Vessel Priya. We are currently 5 nautical miles southeast of harbor entrance, heading 300 degrees at 12 knots, intending to dock at the Pier 5. Over.
Roger. Motor Vessel Priya. You are clear to proceed on your current course and speed. Reduce speed to 12 knots once you are 2 nautical miles from the entrance. Be aware of outgoing traffic from Pier 3. Over.
Understood. Motor Vessel Dola, we will proceed as instructed and reduce speed to 8 knots at 2 nautical miles. We will keep a lookout for outgoing traffic for Pier 3. Motor Vessel Priya out.
Thank you, Motor Vessel Priya. Maintain a listening watch on this channel. Motor Vessel Dola out.